Hello students, here there are some questions and answers. I hope after so many videos in which I have explained all these things, but I am keeping things before you and reading it again for you. What is bookkeeping? I have already explained. Bookkeeping is a systematic manner of recording transactions related to business in the books of accounts. What is accounting or accountancy? Accounting is recording of transactions, classifying them in different books of accounts, summarizing the transactions in the form of reports, and interpreting them in financial statements. I've already discussed. What is cash basis of accounting? Cash basis of accounting is when an expense is recorded only when it is actually paid in cash and an income is booked only when it is actually received in cash. Means only cash in transactions is taken as income if it is a receipt, and cash transactions of payment is taken as expense, and then income statement is prepared. What is transaction? A transaction is any event that occurs in a business which directly or indirectly deals with the buying and selling of goods services. It may or may not involve money, but it must be convertible into money. The only then it is transaction, and it must influence the business, its assets, its liabilities, its expenses, its income, etc. What is meant by goods? Goods are commodities or articles bought or sold by a businessman with the motive to earn profit. The businessman may manufacture the goods himself, or he may purchase them for the purpose of sale. What is operating profit? Operating profit is the excess of gross profit over operating expense. And simply we can say operating income minus operating expense is the operating profit, operating cost. State the meaning of abnormal gain. During the production process, when the goods are transferred from one process to another, there is a possibility that the quantity may increase to much more than that what is expected. Such an unexpected increase in the quantity is known as abnormal gain. Accounting is done for an abnormal gain. What is income? The revenue arising from the sale of goods or services on a regular basis is called revenue. A revenue may be rent, a revenue may be hire charges, a revenue may be repair charges, a revenue may be sell. Commission is also a revenue, salary is also a revenue, etc. What do you mean by fixed asset? Assets which are purchased for the purpose of long term use and are not usually sold until they are worn out are called fixed assets. They provide long run benefits to a business. Actually, they are capital goods. What is capital? Capital is the money invested by the proprietor of a firm to start a business. Additionally, the excess of the assets over liabilities is also known as capital or net worth of the business, or it is sometimes it is also known as owner's equity. What is deferred revenue expenditure? Expenditure incurred which is revenue in nature and provides benefits to more than 1 year, usually 2 to 3 years, is called deferred revenue expenditure. Preliminary expenses, advertisement expenses are of this nature. What is cash discount? Cash discount is an allowance or concession provided to customers for on their prompt payment of debt or dues. What is trade discount? Trade discount is the allowance or concession given to the buyers on the list price or printed price or marked price at the time of sale with an intention for bulk purchasing. It is not recorded in the books of account. No debit, no credit record is maintained for trade discount. It is a rough deduction. What is entity concept? Separate entity concept. The concept of business entity states that a business and its owners are two separate entities, and a business should record transactions only related to business. Proprietors' personal transactions are not to be recorded in the books of the business. What is money measurement concept? Money measurement concept. Business transactions are need to be recorded in a common unit of measurement. Money is used as a common measurement unit to record all the business transactions. It means only all those transactions, those are convertible in terms of money, are recorded in the books of accounts. So converting each and every transactions, whether cash or in kind, in terms of money of that country. Like Indian currency is rupees. Give the meaning of cost concept. The cost concept states that all the assets purchased should be recorded at cost price, and the cost paid will be the base for further accounting. Means some assets must be recorded at their cost price, not at the market price. What is consistency concept? The consistency concept states that policies adopted for accounting should be consistent and continuous, and they should not change frequently unless it is the demand of the changing circumstances. मतलब आपका हिसाब किताब करने का एक जो भी तरीका चुने उसको कंसिस्टेंटली सालों साल फॉलो करे, जब तक कि मजबूरी ना हो जाए बदलना, चेंज करना, और चेंज करने के बाद भी जो फिर सिस्टम ले उसको भी सालों साल फॉलो अप करे. What is conservatism? The conservatism concept states that a business should not anticipate future profits, not anticipate but anticipate future losses, and make provisions for all the possible expenses. This helps create some reserves in the books of accounts which absorb the expected expenses, if any. It means simply the principle of conservatism states that you must provide for all future losses but don't provide for future income. What is accrual concept? The accrual concept states that incomes and expenses related to the specific accounting period should be recorded in that accounting year, irrespective of whether they have been paid or not. It means whether the expenses or income is due or paid or received or not received, if they relate to that year, that must be recorded in that year's income and expenditures. Only the income statement should be prepared. What are accounting standards? Accounting standards are codes of conduct imposed by customs, law, or professional bodies for the benefits of public accountants and accountants generally. One word answer, just a permanent record of date wise transactions, journal. In the basis of accounting, expenses are recorded when cash payment is made, cash basis. Income is recorded when it is earned in the basis of accounting, accrual system of accounting or mercantile system. Financial position of the business is ascertained for the use of interested parties. Financial position of the business is ascertained for the use of interested parties in this branch of accounting, financial accounting. The process that controls the cost of a product, cost accounting. The branch of accounting provides information to top level management accounting, dealings between two persons, transactions, business transactions in which cash is not paid or received immediately, credit transactions, excess of expenses over income, loss because expenses is more, property of any description owned by proprietor. Owned by proprietor is his personal wealth, it's not asset. If property is owned uh, by the business, then it is asset. If it is owned by proprietor, that is his personal property, that is personal wealth. Liability which depends on happening or not happening of certain event, contingent liability. Amount invested in business of the proprietor by the proprietor, capital. A person to whom amount is payable, creditor, suppliers or lenders. Expenditure on fixed assets which increases the earning capacity of the business. Expenditure on fixed asset which increases the earning capacity of the business, capital expenditure. An allowance given by receiver of the cash to the giver of cash at the time of payment. फिर से allowance given by receiver of the cash to the giver of cash at the time of payment. Giver of the cash, discount allowed for receiver of the cash, it is discount allowed, and for A giver of the cash, it is discount received. A person, and that is a cash discount. A person whose assets are sufficient enough to meet business obligations. Solvent. A person whose financial position is sound. Solvent. Solvent. The language of business accounting. Assets are recorded at cost price as per this concept, cost concept. Concept under which the comparison of one accounting period with the other accounting period is possible. Going concern concept, and also consistency concept. System in which entries recorded for cash as well as credit transactions. Accrual system, mercantile system. This accounting principle is mainly concerned with revenue. This accounting principle is revenue recognition concept. Okay, so here answer is given. See it carefully. If okay, see it patiently. Here again some objectives are given. Try to do them of your own, but do this only after reading it again and again. In this chapter, I have discussed bookkeeping, objectives of bookkeeping. Then I have discussed importance of bookkeeping in separate videos, utility of bookkeeping. Then I discussed accountancy, meaning, definitions, objectives of accountancy, basis of accounting, qualitative characteristics of accounting information, branches of accounting, financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, accounting terminology, various I have discussed here in separate videos, not in this video. So listen them again and again, read them again and again. Surely it will help you, and also read your own book for better understanding. I'm giving a bird eye view of whole topics from this section. कोई चीज़ आपको देखना है वहाँ वीडियो को कांस्टेंट कर लीजिए, फिर वहाँ सब देख लीजिए, रीड कर लीजिए. ये लास्ट में जो दिया था सबका सारा का आंसर यहाँ दिया हुआ है और फिर ख़त्म हो गया. ओके, जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स का भी नीचे आंसर दिया हुआ है, ध्यान से देख करके खुद से भी करना चाहिए. ये मैंने आपके लिए छोड़ दिया. इसका यहाँ वीडियो है, इसको स्टिल करके सारा क्वेश्चन को देखें और फिर इसका आंसर खुद से करिए. ओके, थैंक यू.